opportunity, an opportunist. Waiting on an opportunity, an opportunist. Glass to the real, blue hunters for the field, food for the soul. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Peace, Love, and Kel Greens. And also don't forget to ring that bell for reminders of videos I put up. Thanks for watching. Hello. Welcome back to my channel, Peace, Love, and Kel Greens. My name is Shin Ray Lockley, aka Nakia Ray. And today I will be doing a braid out. Originally, this was supposed to be me straightening my hair, but the weather got a little messy. So this is actually how I would not do my braid out, but you'll see the end results at the end. So I start by splitting my hair using my Cantu leave-in conditioner, of course. And I will put some of that in my hair right now. And of course, I can't forget my Spectrum coconut oil. And of course, my Tangle teezer. Of course, you know, a little happy about that. A little dance for you there. A little dance for you. And we're going to comb that through. This is on already washed hair. If you want to see how I prep my hair before I wash it, watch the video link above. So I'm going to start off by doing some plaits. And I'm going to braid all the way down to the end. Usually when I do a braid out, I would actually twist the end to make it a little curly. But as I said before, this was originally going to be me blowing it out and straightening my hair. But rain. Okay, so now I'm going to put my hair in a low bun and put it up in a little scarf because I'm going out. So I'll start off with one of my sleeping scarves and tie it around the bottom of the bun. And then I will go and get my big old piece of cloth for making my little top knot bun thing for my scarf. And one day I'll do a tutorial video on how I do my scarf wraps. And so this is the next day. It was raining, so that's how I decided that I will not be straightening my hair. So right now I am taking out the braids. I have a little bit of coconut oil on my hands, just so when I take them down, I have something on there to try to reduce some frizz. At the beginning part of the braids, they are a little flat because I had the scarf on my head, and this isn't typically how I would do a braid out. But hey, sometimes you gotta work with what you got, and I did not know how this was going to turn out, so I was working with what I got. So continue watching to see the end results. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to Peace, Love, and Kel Greens. And don't forget to ring that bell for reminders of new videos that I come out with. Now I'm done taking out all of the braids. So what I'm going to do is try to fluff up at the root, give it some type of shape. The bottom part was way more stretched than the top part. So I'm going to try to balance that as best as possible, make it look somewhat presentable, of course. And of course, you've seen I was doing a lot of dancing. I had music playing in the background and I was about to go out, so I was turning up.